Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can send images and photos as an attachment in your emails and messages on Gmail in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, craft and compose a new email by clicking into compose here in the bottom left corner inside your Gmail inbox. For example, via the web version of Gmail, enter the recipient's email address here, next the subject and the text field. So guys, you can attach images and files to your sent message the same way you would do with documents like PDF files, Word documents, and so on and so forth. However, guys, there's also an optional way. So one option would be to simply use the file attachment feature here at the bottom, like you do with PDF documents and Word documents you send, and after that simply locate the file on your device and attach it, upload it as an attachment to your email. Option number 2 would be to simply insert a photo. You can do that by clicking into this button here. And after that, you'll be redirected to this menu here. So you may go, for example, with photos in your Google Photos account, or simply use the upload feature and again, simply locate the file on your device. So let me do that really quickly. There's an error. Okay, probably the file size exceeds the maximum file size, but simply locate the file, guys, upload it, and that's how it works. Let me also show you the file attachment feature. There you go, now it works. Well, the file size wasn't actually the problem here with only 241 KB, but that's actually it, guys. You can remove the attachment by clicking into this button. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.